Imagine this. You've just bought the latest iPhone. Now, you're walking out of the Apple Store with a simple yet elegant white bag, perfectly housing a beautiful iPhone box. You're home, you pull the green tab, and effortlessly release the cardboard box from its plastic envelope. Next, you smoothly separate the top section from the bottom, and there it is, your shiny new iPhone. Your last step is to pull off the screen protector and enjoy the satisfying sound it makes. Every part of this experience was very intentionally and carefully planned out. An entire team dedicated to ensuring that you enjoy the box as much as the product inside. Apple's 1977 marketing philosophy outlines the following: empathy, focus, and impute. Impute is the central idea behind Apple's packaging strategy. Quote, "People do judge a book by its cover. We may have the best product, the highest quality, the most useful software, etc. If we present them in a slipshod manner, they will be perceived as slipshod. If we present them in a creative, professional manner, we will impute the desired qualities." Steve Jobs and Johnny Ive, Apple's former chief design officer, both embraced this philosophy and saw packaging, a seemingly mundane thing, as a core part of it. As Johnny Ive put it, "I love the process of unpacking something. You design a ritual of unpacking to make the product feel special. Packaging can be theater. Great theater will create suspense and anticipation, and Apple's packaging provides exactly that. When you open an iPhone box, it opens slowly due to the use of a controlled air seal design. This is thanks to the tight fit between the lid and the base of the box, along with the air pressure trapped inside. When you try to lift the lid, air is slow to fill the vacuum inside the box, creating resistance. It makes you feel anticipation. You want to see your new iPhone, but Apple wants it revealed slowly. Not just that, you also feel and hear the box opening. In your hands, you feel the consistent and perfect friction. You hear that silky sound it makes. This is known as synesthesia, when one sense being activated causes other senses to be stimulated. In other words, your brain associates the sight of the box, the feeling of opening the box, and the sound it makes all together. The unboxing goes beyond just unboxing. It becomes an attraction, something consumers want to experience. So much so that videos of iPhone unboxings can reach millions of views online. The box itself is an ode to Apple's design philosophy. It's minimalistic and clean. Typically, an iPhone box will be completely white, except for the image of the phone printed on top in a high-quality glossy ink. On the sides, a simple iPhone label with an Apple logo, reflecting Apple's brand identity. Meanwhile, the printed image of the iPhone stands out with its rich colors. The image of the iPhone even slightly sticks out to give the box a more premium feel and bring it to life. The box welcomes you into the Apple experience with a perfectly coordinated ceremony. The experience is so smooth that it sticks with you. Consumers become emotionally attached to their iPhone boxes. In fact, 28% of them will keep their box forever, while an additional 60% keep them until they buy a replacement phone. To most, throwing the box away just feels wrong. It's a kind of collectible item, and just like that, you have a small monument to Apple in your home, a reminder of the high value and high quality image of the Apple brand. If you made it this far, thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to WorldWorks, and I would be very grateful if you could leave your feedback in the comments.